solve the triangle having sides B equals to 14 units, C equals to 11 units, and angle A equals to 60 degree. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we're going to consider a triangle ABC. So here we have the triangle ABC. The measure of angle A that's given as 60 degree. Now let's consider the side that is opposite to angle A, which is BC. We're going to denote it by the letter A in lowercase. Then we consider the angle B. The side opposite to that angle, that is AC, will be denoted by the letter B in lowercase, and its measure is 14 units. And then finally we have the angle C, and the side opposite to it, which is AB, that is going to be denoted by the letter C in lowercase, and that has a measure of 11 units. So using this information, our goal will be to find out the measure of angle B, measure of angle C, as well as the measure of the third side, which is A here. So what we'll do, so here we're going to make use of the fact that the sum of the three angles of a triangle adds up to 180 degree. That's a known fact. Now, since the angle measure of A that's given as 60 degree, we have B plus C that's going to be equals to 120 degree. We're going to label this as equation number 1. Next, what we'll do, we're going to take the help of the half angle formula, and here using the half angle formula we're going to get a form B minus C, because what we need is to solve another equation which has the form B minus C, and that is going to help us obtain the value B and C. Okay, so here we are going to make use of the fact that we know that tangent of, since we need B minus C, we'll take the half angle formula, the tangent of B minus C over 2, that is going to be equals to the side B minus the side C divided by the side B added to the side C multiplied to cotangent of the angle A over 2. Okay, so let's use the value, the side B that corresponds to 14 units. We have 14 minus the side C, so that's 11 units, divided by B plus C, so that's 14 added to 11, so we have 14 plus 11 multiplied to cotangent of A over 2. So A here is 60 degrees, so we have cotangent of 30 degrees. So we're going to plug this value back into our calculator, and that should give us approximately 0.21. So we have obtained that tangent of B minus C over 2, so that is approximately 0.21. However, what we need here is a B minus C. So what we'll do, we're going to get rid of this tangent function by taking the inverse tangent function on both sides, such that we get B minus C over 2. That's going to be equals to the inverse tangent of 0.21. So taking the inverse tangent of 0.21, it's going to give us 11.74, which means that B minus C over 2, that's 11.74. So we're going to multiply both sides with 2, and that will be equals to 23.48. So this gives us the second pair equation. We have B minus C equals to 23.48. Now we can easily solve equation number 1 and 2 to obtain the value of B and C. Let's do that. I'll leave the solving part as an exercise for you to try out. So solving equation 1 and equation number 2, we're going to get the values of B and C. The B measure, that will be approximately, we'll get 71.74. measure, this is going to be in degrees, and the measure of C, that is going to be approximately 48.26 degrees. Fine. So we have successfully obtained the measure of angle B, so that's 71.74 degrees, and the measure of B, that's 48.26 degrees. Now the final task will be to obtain the measure of the side A. So here what we can do, we can take the help of the law of sines. So let's do that. So the law of sine states that the ratio of the side A to sine of the angle A, that will be equals to the ratio of B to that of sine of angle B, and that's also equals to the ratio C over sine of angle C. Now here what we need is the value of measure A. So what we'll do, we're going to use the first ratio A over sine A, and you're going to equate it to any one of the two ratios. We'll take B over sine of angle B, which means that A must be equals to B times sine of angle A divided by sine of angle B. So let's use the value B, that's 14 units, multiplied to sine of angle A here. So sine A, that means we have sine 60 degree divided by sine of angle B. So that's 71.74 degrees. We're going to plug this value in your calculator, and that should give us the value of A as approximately 12.77 units. Now we have obtained the measure of the side A, so that comes out as 12.77 units.